Hello, in today's video I'm going to share with you something that helped me so much, or to be precise, not me, but my kitty Pilar. She recently had a UTI or a cystitis or bladder inflammation, however you want to call it. She was basically peeing with blood and she kept running to the toilet every few minutes and she was staying there forever, straining, visibly in pain, and there was just a tiny bit of pee. I gave her a little remedy which I'm going to share with you in today's video, and she was so much better by the next day, and now it's been a week and she's doing great. She's peeing huge pee bombs again and she's happy and she's in no pain. So I think that more people should know about this. You have to watch male cats really carefully, because if their urethra gets blocked by crystals or urine stones, bladder stones, they can actually die if they can't pee. So it's very important to watch them closely. But if you feel that they're otherwise okay and you can afford to try something natural first, then this is a great remedy to try. And look who I've got here as well today. So in cats, UTIs or bladder infections generally happen for a few reasons. Sometimes it can be an actual bacterial infection, but that's very rare, especially in younger cats. But in most cases, it's either bladder crystals or unexplained issues like stress, dry food, not enough hydration, things like that. So I think my cat's case was probably stress, because my baby Leonardo started crawling and he started following her everywhere, trying to touch her, trying to grab her tail. She had this baby on her back all the time, and I think she got really stressed out because she's a very sensitive soul. It could also be the dry food that she eats. So from now on, we'll have to make some changes there as well. So the remedy: a quarter of teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of water, mixed together and added to their food every evening and every morning. Super cheap, super natural, and it does wonders. Ready? Go Pilar. Pilar. Here you go. The apple cider vinegar needs to be raw and filtered, and it works so well because it's very acidic and it melts those crystals and stones. It reduces the pH of the urine, so when the pH is lower, not only the crystals won't be able to form and they will be dissolved, but also it will prevent from bacteria growing and getting stronger in the cat's urine, and it will also just reduce the inflammation. So whatever the cause of the UTI in your cat, it might be helpful in pretty much all those cases. It's also always a good idea to move from dry food to wet food, perhaps not forever. A bit of vinegar and water is all that we needed to get our super happy kitty back. I think it would work also for dogs, possibly for humans as well. I've never had those issues, so I don't know. I can't really say anything about that, but I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.